If you're looking for online passive income ideas, then you've come to the right place. Get your free Passage to Passive Income Lifestyle Blueprint. Inside the blueprint, you'll learn what is passive income, using residual income, using internet marketing, using network marketing, ways to get passive income, how to earn passive income, using blogs, and much, much more. Online marketing is competitive. Get the edge today and live the passive income lifestyle. Here's to your success, the WHR team. Check out our digital marketing agency promo, which is a limited time only free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. The real price is $149.99. In human terms, this customized report will find all the problems on your website that are stopping you from increasing and maximizing the amount of customers, clients and sales that your business deserves to be getting. So we'll find all of your online business problems and offer you the solutions. After that, it's up to you with what you do with them. All you have to do is fill in your name, email address and website and you'll get your report. We're here to help, so check out our blog or our services, or contact us if you have any digital marketing needs or SEO services that you need implementing.